hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing.
Get ready now!
It's a love
Put your hands against the
conquest.
wall and take a big step backwards, then bend forward to stretch your back. As you straighten your back, raise your heels and stand on your toes. Repeat the movement.
Like honey dripping from a
33
golden
seconds.
bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
It's almost done. Find a wall to put your hands against.
Lost in the sound, my worries fade.
Put your one hand against the wall, lift your foot, and grab it with your hand at the same side. Pull it gently until you feel the stretch. 40 seconds.
My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway.
Switch the
Nothing
sides.
else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on the floor with your knees bent and feet together. Open your knees to the sides as much as possible. 20 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back by twisting your spine and hips. Cross one leg over the other. Hold your knee with your opposite hand. Keep your opposite arm outstretched. 30 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done. Stand on your knees and hands. Stand on your hands and knees, arch your back down, then arch your back toward the ceiling. Repeat the movement. 35 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while standing. Stand upright, bend forward till your upper body gets parallel to the floor. Repeat the move. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand upright. Extend your arms forward, make a fist. Open your arms to the sides and close. 30 seconds. It's almost done. Stand upright. Raise your arms forward and bring your fists together. Then open your arms to the sides. Then extend your arms above your head. Repeat the moves backwards. 40 seconds. It's almost done. Stand in front of a wall. Put your hands against the wall, then take a huge step back and straighten your arms. Bring your chest closer to the wall by bending your elbows and lifting your heels. Then get back to the starting position. 35 seconds. It's almost done. Stand upright. Bend forward till your upper body gets parallel to the floor, your arms extended to the sides, and turn your upper body and your arms together to the sides. 35 seconds. It's almost done. Stand on your knees and hands. Create an upside-down V shape by standing on your hands and feet. Then slightly push your body forward to stand on your toes and turn back to starting position. 35 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your right side. Lie on your right side, then elevate yourself on your forearm. Keep your body straight and hold the position. 60 seconds. Switch the sides. It's almost done.